Alright, so here it is, folks. This is one of my favorite on-ramps, off-ramps. It's a little tricky. If you're going the speed limit, and this is no joke, it gets a little tricky. I got some traffic in front of me, so I'm going to have to slow it down here. But normally, at speed, this is one of my favorite on-ramps because it's fun. You know, it's fast, and there you go. It cleared out nice. I could have gone a little hotter on that, but yeah, one of my favorite intersections coming off of Gandy Boulevard or Park Boulevard, if you would, in St. Pete, and onto the bridge and onward. Man, love this place. Love St. Pete. Love the bridge. They got me all in Roy.